If you guys want to know how you can make so much money just by using your mobile phone, then this video is the perfect one for you. Imagine being able to earn tons of money just by using your mobile phone. I'm sure you never imagined that something like this is even possible. So you know you guys are just so excited about even just hearing this right now. I know you want to get into it. So make sure that you hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You can download this app for completely free on both Android and iOS devices, and if you're someone who spends so much time on their phone, going through social media, scrolling through pages, then this method will be able to use your free time, your pastime, and actually convert it into making so much money. So I'm going to be teaching you all of the steps. I'm going to be showing you the entire process. Make sure you watch until the very end of the video so you don't miss anything important. Now let's jump right into it. So Feature Points is the name of the app, and this lets you make money. Tab 10 Core has owned and operated Feature Points, a mobile application that rewards users for downloading and completing an online paid survey since 2012. This rewarding app will pay you in points that you can redeem for a Visa card or PayPal money. It lets you increase your income while working from home, and it doesn't require any skills to be able to get started. So what I love the most about Feature Points is that it's actually completely free to join, and it's a very easy way to make some money online. Now, there are so many offers available. There are also a ton of different payment choices like PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Now, Feature Points, as I've mentioned, is available for both Android and iOS devices, which means that everyone and anyone can install Feature Points on any of their devices. Now, how do you actually get paid in Feature Points? So, you're going to be able to choose from a ton of different surveys and complete different tasks that are listed on the offer wall, which they provide you with. So, if you want to be able to join and start making money with it, then you're going to go onto the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, type in Feature Points in the search bar, and when you see this app, you're going to click on install to download it on your smartphone. And as soon as the app has installed and has completely been downloaded, you have to open it up, and there you're going to be given the option to either sign up or log in. So obviously, if you don't already have an account, you're going to sign up and enter in all of the information being asked of you. You're going to need an email address that's working, your last name, your first name, a password for your account. So instead of, creating an account manually, you can actually do, signing up with your Apple account, signing up with your Facebook account, signing up with your Google account. It's up to you if that is what you want. So Feature Points offers a variety of opportunities and ways for everybody to make money. You can take surveys, you can download apps, and the best method to earn on Feature Points is actually by taking their paid surveys. Now, this website has a ton of surveys, so if you're able to sign up, you really have to consider this. And you can also do maybe referrals, right? By entering a referral code after the finishing registration process, you're going to be able to earn 50 points, and then Feature Points will ask you to choose your first reward, which you can choose to be whatever you want. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, then make sure you check out our description box. Down below, we have a bunch of surprises in there. Make sure you check the description box down below to make even more money. And also comment down below where you're from and what devices you use. And also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. And then you're going to be able to begin doing a ton of different tasks like installing apps, watching videos, and completing surveys. So you have to first complete the About You section, which consists of 4 questions, which basically asks your date of birth, your gender, your country, your postcode to be able to access the surveys. And then you're going to be actually receiving 10 points after completing the task. Now, the marketing research organizations, Pullfish, Precision Sample, LAC, Slicer Rewards, and Top Research, they've all have partnered with Feature Points. And after you complete your first profile question about yourself, you're going to be able to unlock the Top Research and Profile panels, which is going to let you, take surveys and actually provide you with more survey questions, and you're also going to receive more invitations. So taking paid surveys is one of the best ways to actually earn on Feature Points, but Top Research surveys are sometimes very fast and easy and quick and only pay fewer than 300 points. If you sign up, you have to consider this. Just answer the survey questions and then a prize is going to be credited to your Feature Points account. And the number of surveys to which you're going to be able to have access to depend on where you live, actually. So sometimes there are a lot in some location while there won't be as many in others. So you also have to, just anticipate this. On the other hand, paid survey opportunities on Feature Points are decent and they're worth using to increase your, income. Maybe have a side income of the sort. And another quick and easy way to actually get money on Feature Points is to download apps. So as soon as you've logged into Feature Points, you can view the applications you can download and use to earn money. To earn points in this section, you have to do more than just, install an app. Some apps will ask you to do certain things for them, while others require you to do very specific steps. Depending on the app, you're gonna have to just, go with the flow and play with it for a while to be able to get to the certain level where you can get paid. Using this strategy, you can make money by installing applications and following the instructions that come with the task. Now, these tasks can include things like beating the game's toughest boss at level 10 and other things. Of course, you can only earn by doing this, using your phone or tablet, since these are the only devices that let you earn by downloading apps. You can see exactly what you have to do to be able to earn your reward for installing the app and the terms, but sometimes all that really is expected of us is to download the program and run it for a short while and use it. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing and by commenting down below on what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. Now let's continue. So to be able to collect your prize, you're going to have to complete a level in the game that you downloaded. Again, the bigger the prize, the more it will actually take to be able to obtain this, which obviously makes sense. However, if you are someone who's fond of playing mobile games, then this is actually an amazing way to find new games that might interest you while at the same time getting paid to do so. And Feature Points enables you to actually receive cash back on certain goods and services you purchase from one of their affiliate retailers. So a lot of businesses like Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and others actually support this feature. So it depends on the store and the items that you actually purchase. But you could receive anywhere between 0.5 and 27% cash back. Now, to be able to purchase the item from the merchant's website and receive the additional cash back, you're just going to click on the Shop Now link beneath Feature Points. And that's obviously when you've gathered enough points on the Feature Points platform. You're going to be able to redeem your points for a ton of different rewards, and the great thing is that there are things available for everyone. You can redeem your points for rewards like cash if you want via PayPal. You can do it on Amazon gift cards if you're someone who just wants to spend it all on Amazon already, or Starbucks for some coffee, iTunes for some music, and so much more. You just have to visit Feature Points, download it, use it, and make money super easily and quickly. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.